Write a Java program to accept name from an user. Accept name from an user. Name from an user. If it is valid, if it is valid, if it is valid, then display it. If it is valid, then display it. Otherwise, through user-defined exception. Otherwise, through user-defined exception, name is invalid. Otherwise, through user-defined exception, name is invalid. We have to write, we have to take a name from a user, and after accepting, we have to take the characters from that name, whether they are alphabet or not. If the characters which are in name are alphabet, then we can say that name is valid. We can display it. If in that, suppose any symbol is there other than letter, then that name is invalid, and so we have to throw user-defined exception, name is invalid. That application I have already taken. With user-defined exception, we have to write now. Okay, first you have to try. If you are not able to write, then I will give demonstration. Okay. That we have to import first, and after that we have to define user-defined exception. Put the name val, then extends exception. Okay. And this is a user-defined exception. As we have discussed, in each and every user-defined exception, we have to inherit exception class.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Wait. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. First, you have to import IO package, that is for buffer reader class, because we have to take data from a user, and then after that we have to define user-defined exception, because what we have to do, we have to accept name from a user, and after accepting, we have to check whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, then we have to display it. And if it is invalid, then we have to throw user-defined exception. So I have defined that exception here, and then class. This is assignment. I think it's 11, assignment 11. And then main method, public static void main. Then string args. And then we have to declare required variables. Suppose this is an application on string, so we need at least variables of type integer, one character variable, use flag also. And then there one string variable, that is en, because in this assignment we have to take employee name from user, and we have to check whether it is valid or not. We have to declare, then try, because we have to handle user defined as well as system defined exceptions. Create object of buffer reader class. And then new input stream reader. Dot in. And then accept name from an user. System dot out dot println. Enter employee name. Then take that name in variable en equal to br dot readline. Yeah, this is an application on string. So after accepting string, we have to calculate its length. It's a common that is common to all the applications. So calculate length of string first. Use length method. Okay, then after accepting name, what we have to do, we have to check each and every character from that name whether it's alphabet or not. So I'm setting for loop I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Then here ch equal to en dot caret of I. Caret is a method. It returns a character which is at given location. Only index we have to pass to the caret method. Then it will return a character which is at ith location from a string en. Then after receiving the after retrieving or fetching the character from string, we have to check whether it is a letter or not. So we have to use character wrapper class like this. Character dot is letter is a method used to it returns to value if the value of ch is a letter. If is a letter method returns to value, then we have to initialize flag by 1 like this. And then suppose else if isolator method returns false value, then initialize flag by 0. Then if isolator method returns false value, then it is a confirm name is invalid. So no need to check next character. So initialize flag by 0 and terminate an execution of a program. And after for compare the value of flag. If the value of flag is 1, and then we have to display that name system dot out dot println name is valid like this. Name is valid, and along with that, suppose if you want to display it, we can display it. And suppose it is not valid, and then we have to throw user defined exception. For throwing user defined exception, we have to use throw keyword, throw then name of exception, that the name val, and the end of try. After end of try, we have to write catch, and that first catch that is for user defined exception, that because requirement, and in this we have to display the message system dot out dot println name is invalid. Okay, and second catch we have to write, that is for system defined catch, then exception obj, and here we can display the value of obj system dot out dot println then obj, end of catch, end of main, end of class. See, this is our assignment. So we have to sit. It's a name val, and then this is our application. Then here I have accepted employee name from a user, and after accepting, we have to check each and every character from that name whether it is a letter or not. Then I have set for loop because the index of first character in a string is 0. So by using caret method, I am fetching the characters one by one from a string en, and after fetching, I am storing that character in the variable ch. And here I am checking whether the value of ch is a letter or not. If it is a letter, then I am initializing flag variable by 1. If it is a not letter, then I have initialized flag variable by 0, and I have terminated an execution of a program. Okay. Then after end of this for, I'm checking the value of tag. If the value of tag is 1, then I'm displaying name. That means the name is valid. And suppose the value of flag is not 1, if it is 0, then here I'm throwing user defined exception, and that exception, the message that we have defined in this, that is name is invalid. Okay. Now I am saving this application. Then all files. I have to save the application on a drive, JDK, and then Beam. And here environment 11.java, and compile this application, execute this, cd slash drive and cd jdk, and then Beam, and then Java C, then assignment 11.java, and then it's compiled, and then execute it, and then suppose name A B C D. In that all the symbols are the letters, so it is valid. Name is valid. Suppose DYP123T. Then in that name there are digits, so that name is not valid. It is invalid. Then our compiler will throw your such a name is not valid. The name is invalid. Any problem in this? No. Okay. Now take next point.